Hello there, good day to you. You are welcome back to another awesome tutorial. Today in this video, I want to show you how to watch any type of video that you intend to watch on YouTube without all those unnecessary displaying ads showing on these particular videos. Now, the very first thing you are going to do is that it's very easy. Come to YouTube this way and look for whatever video you intend to look for. For example, let's take this particular video as a case study. You understand? Let's take this particular video, this one here. Let's take this one as a case study. What I'm going to do is that you're going to click on this video first. Once you click this particular video, the next thing you're going to do is that you're going to mute this particular video so that the sound will not be disturbing us. Now, do you see all the unnecessary ads displayed on these particular videos? Now, we want to watch this particular video without all these particular unnecessary ads displaying on the video. You understand? So to do this, you are going to first of all come to this particular search bar here. This one is showing the URL of the video. Click on it once. Now, once you click on it, now what we're going to do is we're going to copy the URL. This is, you see this particular one, click on this particular one to copy the URL of this video. Once you copy the URL of this video, now click on where it says search Google or type URL and click and hold it for a long time. Then paste the URL of the video. Once you have posted the URL of the video, come to where it says YouTube, www.youtube.com, and under where it says T, this one between T and U. You understand? Between T and U, click on it like this and just come down to your keyboard here and put this, impute this particular dash this thing here. Just click it once like this and you will see between the T and the U has been demarcated with this particular sign. Once you demarcate it with this particular sign, now click on where it says search again. You understand? Once you click on where it says search again, what this does is that it automatically stop all unnecessary ads. You understand? On that has actually been put on that particular video. All the whole of the unnecessary ads will never be displayed again. And with this particular trick, I'm telling you that you can watch this particular video for absolutely free without all those unnecessary ads disturbing your view. You understand? You see, with this particular trick, as you can see, you can enjoy this particular view or this particular video on YouTube without all those unnecessary ads, you understand, displaying on your video. You understand? I hope you enjoyed this video. Peace, obrigado. Please click on the subscribe to this particular video, look at the channel, because we are going to be bringing you all updates and all in awesome and interesting ways on how to make things easy for you. See you in my next video.